You've probably heard the term credit score tossed around. But what does that three-digit number actually mean for your money? For most people, it feels like a mysterious formula lenders use to judge them, a financial grade no one taught in school. And honestly, it can feel a little unfair. But once you understand what goes into it, the whole system becomes far less intimidating, a lot more controllable. Over the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how credit scores work and how to make yours start working in your favor instead of limiting your options. So, what is a credit score? Think of it as your financial report card. It's a number from about 300 to 850 that tells lenders how reliable you've been with borrowed money. Higher scores signal trustworthiness. Lower scores signal risk. This score is calculated from the information in your credit report, which is compiled by the three major bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. They collect data on your accounts, balances, payments, and credit behavior. Your score is simply a summarized rating of all those habits. Why does this matter so much? Because your credit score unlocks or blocks some of the most important financial opportunities in your life. It affects your ability to get approved for a loan, rent an apartment, or qualify for a mortgage. But it's not just about approval. A strong credit score can save you tens of thousands of dollars over time by giving you access to lower interest rates. Two people can buy the exact same house, but the one with the better score may pay hundreds of dollars less per month. Your score can also influence your credit limits, your insurance rates, and even certain job opportunities. Now let's decode how this number is actually calculated. Most lenders use the FICO score, and FICO is pretty open about the ingredients. The biggest component, making up 35% of your score, is your payment history. Simply put, do you pay your bills on time? Every late payment leaves a mark, which is why consistency is everything. The second largest factor, at 30%, is the amount you owe compared to your available credit, also called credit utilization. Keeping your balance under 30% of your total credit limit signals healthy borrowing behavior. The length of your credit history accounts for another 15%, which means older accounts help your score by showing long-term reliability. Credit mix makes up 10% and reflects whether you responsibly handle different types of debt, from credit cards to installment loans, and the final 10% comes from new credit. Too many new applications in a short time can worry lenders and temporarily dip your score. Breaking down the formula gave you that finally, this makes sense moment. Go ahead and hit the like button. It signals to YouTube that this kind of content should reach more people who need it. So, how do you actually improve your credit score? The good news is that it's fully within your control. Start with the most important habit. Always pay every bill on time. It's the single biggest driver of a strong score. Setting up automatic payments for at least the minimum due can protect you from accidental slip-ups. Next, work on lowering your credit card balances. If your utilization is high, paying it down can boost your score surprisingly fast. Be mindful about opening new accounts, especially if you're preparing for a major loan, since each application creates a temporary dip. And finally, review your credit reports regularly. You're entitled to a free copy from each bureau, and errors are more common than you might expect. Correcting a mistake like a wrongly reported late payment can lead to an immediate improvement. Your credit score isn't a mystery box. It's simply a reflection of your habits, and now you know exactly how it works, why it matters, and the steps you can take to strengthen it. Change won't happen overnight, but with consistent payments and lower balances, you're in full control of your financial trajectory. So let me ask you, what's one small step you're going to take this week to improve your credit? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want more simple, clear guides to mastering your money, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video.